Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Razr 40 Ultra, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, swipe down on your screen, then do that once again to extend the list of toggles. There we go. And on one of the pages you will find the Do Not Disturb toggle. For me it is right on the first page on the front. This is a default location of the toggle, so hopefully you can find yours in the same exact place. Now once you see this toggle, simply hold it. This will take you to the settings. Now I recommend doing that at least once when you start off with this, just so you, even if you don't want to change anything, so you have some kind of idea how it is set by default. Obviously if something doesn't fit your needs, change it. And I'm going to quickly go into a couple of the settings that are in here. Only mentioning the more important ones. I'm gonna glance over the ones that don't really matter. So under people, we can find messages and calls. So here you can select can message you or call you. Then going back, we have schedule. This allows you to select a fully automatic schedule, so it turns on and off the mode at a provided day of the week and start and end time. You can tap on the text and this will open up this or allow you to edit the ones that exist, schedules. And in here, for instance, you have days of the week, so you can choose each day of the week that you wanted, start, end time, and also the behavior for it. And obviously, if you want to create multiple schedules, you can do so by clicking right here. Oh, and one more thing, when it comes onto schedule, if you're planning to use that one, just make sure you enable it in here. And that's all you would need to do. The phone will do everything else for you. Now going back, we also have the duration for quick settings. Now this will be a good option for everyone who is going to be enabling this mode manually. So in here we have by default set until turn off, but I recommend changing it for the 1 hour and just maybe add a couple more hours. Like I think 4 hours is a good spot. Now the reason I recommend selecting this option is because when enabling this manually, you probably will be doing this just occasionally. And you might just think about turning it on, but once you're done with whatever you needed this Do Not Disturb mode for, you probably will not really keep in mind that the mode is still running on your device. And hence this will result in the mode basically being permanently on till you remember that you have enabled it a day ago or so. So obviously during that time it will be blocking or kind of muting all the calls, so you won't see them at all, messages and so on, depending on how you set it up, and that might not be something that you want. So that's why I recommend selecting a timer, and then when you enable it after the specified time right here, it will automatically turn off. So even when you forget about the mode and you're done with, for instance, your business meeting, and the phone will turn it off after several hours. Just make sure you set it up so it goes over the time that you actually need it. And those are all the options that I recommend changing, customizing. From there, I'm going to close it, find the toggle once again, and simply tap on it to enable it manually. When doing this, it will automatically, with my settings, give me the timer till which it will be running. So right now, once enabled, it's going to automatically turn off at 7:22 p.m. So even if I forget about it, the phone will turn it off for me. But obviously, I can turn it off before that timer by tapping on the toggle once again. So there we go. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.